Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, for me as ambassador of Uzbekistan, is the great honor and a privilege to be in Independence Day with the capital of the Sindh province, the great city of Karachi. And of course, I do want to congratulate and express my best heartfelt feelings and congratulations to the Pakistani nation at all, and especially to Karachi and the Sindh province with this auspicious day of 76th anniversary of your independence. That is a great historical event when Pakistan as the country has emerged in the global arena and the regional arena. Pakistan, of course, is the strategical partner for my country, and we are happy that our two countries are building and strengthening year by year, month by month, day by day, our relationship after the signing the transit trade, preferential trade agreement, and on the signing of the 1 billion trade roadmap. Our two governments are working hand by hand on fulfilling the will of our leaders to bring and reconnect our two countries. So next is the game changer project that Uzbekistan and Pakistan, and with the collaboration of Afghanistan, are doing, is the Trans-Afghan Railway. And we do expect that Samarkand and Bukhara city and Termez city via Afghanistan might be coming directly to the Karachi ports to enjoy that great market of this country, and also to use Pakistan and especially Karachi as the transit hub. And then, of course, Uzbekistan and Pakistan, we are bounded with great historical and cultural heritage, alhamdulillah, when the Imam al-Bukhari, rahmatullah, Imam al-Tirmizi, Marghanani, and Zamah Shahri, Naqshbandiya, Silsila of Sufi, they are very close to the hearts and minds of the brothers in Pakistan, which we do been always together with the Suhrawardiya, Chishtiya, and Qadiriya silsilas. And of course, we have the Amir Taimur legacy and Mirza Zahruddin Babur legacy. So then it is a humble duty of every Pakistani and Uzbekistani to bring our two countries together and to work, first of all, on the economic connectivity, inshallah, together. Thank you very much for inviting me. I can speak on the Pushto, but I hope thank मुबारकबाद करता हूँ.
May I have your visiting card so that I can share it all this?
Unfortunately, I have exhausted.